Today, we are diving into the whimsical world of Peppa Pig, her little brother George, and the dinosaur of George. Welcome to Imagination Islands, where we transform ordinary materials into extraordinary creations. First, you need to mix a small amount of Fevicryl Clay's hard and soft parts together with the help of talcum powder to create a smooth dough. With just a few simple tools and some creativity, we'll bring these beloved characters to life using Fevicryl Mouldit Clay and other accessible materials. Now, let's take this clay and gradually shape each part of the cute Peppa character one by one, using our fingers to mold each part into the desired shape. Here, I've used thin aluminum wire to attach Peppa Pig's ears, and for attaching the legs, I've utilized toothpicks. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Here I have used clay tools and a small knife to carve out facial features and other parts of body. Take your time and pay attention to the finer details to truly capture the essence of Peppa. Now the time to bring her to life with colors. I have used Fevicryl colors to paint the character, carefully matching her iconic appearance from the show. I occasionally try to show you a picture of the craft which I am making for your convenience. Once your sculpture is complete and dry, it's time to varnish it and let it to dry for 2-3 hours. I've crafted George and Dinosaur in the same way as Peppa, but I haven't shown it in the video, otherwise, the video would have become too lengthy. I've attached a magnet at the back of it, as it will be used as a cute fridge magnet. So, gather your materials, let your creativity run wild, and join us on Imagination Islands for endless crafting adventures.